Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade Training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get the margin available. That is, how much money is available for us to trade. So that is nothing but your margin available and how to get that information through script. Because before you initiate any trade, you need to understand how much margin you would need and how much margin you have. Only after considering that, you should initiate the trade. So it's always better to get the margin details and compare it against the margin required, and then if everything is smooth, then you can initiate your trade. So in this episode, we are going to learn how to pull the available margin. So let's get into coding. So this is the script that we have developed in the earlier episode. So I'm going to build my script on top of this one. So first off, right, create a variable. Okay, so it's like, margin available, right? Margin available. So now what you have to do, you need to use your object, my client object, and you need to call the margin function. So once you call this will give you all the available margins. Okay, so you can just print this information. Okay, so print margin available. So let's run it and see how it goes. So it's running and it got executed. And if you look at here, right, so if you look at the margin, right, available cash margin is 1 lakh and something. And if you continue to scroll, right, so there is a security margin, that is nothing but pledging that I have talked in the earlier episodes. So I pledged the stocks worth around 2,76,000 rupees. So total margin available is 3,78,000 odd rupees. So that is the total margin available. So now what you can do is, like, you can pull this information, okay, and store it in a variable so that you can compare it. So let's see how to do it. So I think you can use the same syntax. So margin available right now, RN I'm giving right now. So I'm just printing it, and it should be from margin available response. So it's available in this particular response. So I'm going to parse it and get the right value. So you need to go into the success, and commodities is empty, currency is empty, derivatives is empty. So you have to go in and inside this bracket, so that is 0. And if you go into this particular bracket, right, so you can take features, right? So this is the future margin available. Okay, so and inside that future tag, you are again going to go and find the total margin. So this is the margin available for features. Okay, so available, you can add features as well. Okay, so let's try to print it and see how it goes. Yeah, some error. So it is not able to find it. That's what it's saying. So yeah, it's in capital letters, right? Sorry. Okay, still some error. Yeah, I think we missed the derivatives here, so we'll have to add that as well. So yeah, I have added derivatives as well. Let's see, how it goes now. Yeah, now you are able to retrieve the value. Likewise, right, you can take the options margin in the similar way. So if you want option margin also, you can get options 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 and just run it. Mostly, I mean, both will be very same. So but just for the sake of it, we are doing it. Okay, so this is also same. Likewise, you can get the value for the equity as well, and you can print the same. So if you look at here, right, here comes the equity margin. So equity cash, if you want, you can get the total margin. It is again going to be the same. Okay, same here, right? So, but if you want to print all of it separately, you can very well do that. Okay, so this is how you need to find the available margin for your trading for futures, options, and equities. If you have any queries on this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also hit like, share, and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.